Start with the great name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim. My dear friends and viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. And our dear Sir Imran Sahab. So today's our topic, life is short. First of all, I want to explain what is life. Life is beautiful. No, but not always. Uh, Life has different stages. No human being on earth that suffering from these stages of life: happiness, sorrow, and victory, defeat. These are stages every person have suffering from these things. So our topic is that life is short. This sentence always make me motivate. The reason is that life is short. You have to enjoy every moment of life, because first of all you figure out what you want from your life. I always like those people. They want to gain knowledge of focusing on everything, and they gain knowledge of focusing at time, not far in the future, because they don't know what going happen in the next minute. So we this is stage of human life. They don't know about next minute of life, so we should enjoy your life. And because I have read on a website, there was the average of a person's life 79th year. And unfortunately, a person that use 5 to 6 hours in daily routine mobile phone, unfortunately he waste 16th year of our waste 16 year of life. So it news made me shocked. And so please, life is short, so you have to focus on your goal and live every moment of life, and enjoy it, and love with your parents, your family, and focus on your goal, what you want from your life. So life is short. It is very motivated sentence. So look after yourself, and always watch Sir Imran's lecture, and make you always make on self happy, and pray me for me, and pray Sir Imran Sahab. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is how brief life is. Since the inception of this world, two words, one is life and other is man. Numbers, infinite numbers of books are present to define these two words. One is life and other is man. But yet, we cannot say something conveniently about life and man, because life has a different and unique meaning, and it depends upon the nature of the person. If whatever my angle is, the angle through which I measure the life, maybe someone other can't do this. So how brief life is. What is your life? It's even a vapor that appears for a later time and vanishes away, isn't it? But I cannot get the student of my age, 18 or 20 years, to make them realize, to understand that how brief life is. When you when you are about 50 or 60 years old, then you realize that it seems yesterday I was in school. I cannot get young people to make this how brief life is. Life is very short to live depressed. Life is very short to live anxious. Struggle is life. You have to struggle for a better future, for a better result in your life. Otherwise, if you take it serious, this short interval of time, then it will become miserable for you. You will feel that life has finished all the doors of happiness as far as I am concerned. Yet, this short interval and this vapor that appear in the air has a greater result. Life is single. Life can't be twice, thrice. We cannot extend the duration of life. It can't be according to our will. But the next statement is very important. To make this life beautiful, this short interval of time useful and effective, especially for others, there are so many opportunities. Every day, every minute, and every second is a new opportunity. But we missed it just in order to wait for a new one. and that new one never came till our death. Just so, in a nutshell, life is very brief, life is very short. The duration of misery is larger than the duration of happiness in this life. Yet, we have to live it happily and with full zeal and zest. And this is only possible when we will struggle till our death. Thank you.